What's up, everyone? It's Bill here with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Cali Track Days here in beautiful Thunder Hill in Willows, California. Just an absolute beautiful day. I'm so in love with today right now. Why? I've got a brand new BMW R9T, which I absolutely have fallen in love with. I've got a brand new 2020 BMW S1000, which, well, I've unfortunately fallen out of love with. I've got my 2015 BMW S1000RR, which is getting ready for the body position, so I can't ride it. The MT-09, what's up, little buddy? I had a session on him earlier, just not feeling it. So, I've already done my goodbye video, but I can't still own for one more day the 2020 BMW S1000 and not take it one more session, guys. So, you know what? One more session on the 2020 BMW S1000RR. We got Cali photography over in turn 2. So let's get my modes. I liked Pro Mode 2. That's where I liked. So we're gonna head out in Pro Mode 2, I believe, for our final fun ride. We'll call it that. I've already talked about the negatives of this bike, and you know, I really thank you guys for sticking around this channel. I know some of you guys have come over because of this bike, but it is going to a new owner, and I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna get a new one when they get the corks fixed up with this one. So let's hope it's sooner than later. But for now, let's just go have a little more fun with this. Let's take it easy, but let's just have a good time. So we're on the B- group, is out right now. So let's go have a fun little session. Let's get some heat in the tires. Acceleration and brake. Acceleration and brake. And let's see, I really want to get up to the menus and watch my tire pressure. Good. All right. Well, let's head on out. Acceleration and brake, acceleration and brake, tires, tires, tires. So we do have, so for the people that haven't caught up to what we did due to the bike, I have changed the tires. I am on Power RS tires, so I've been really happy with the Power RS tires. And so Robert with Cali Photography. What's up, Robert? I really like the Power RS tires, so I immediately pretty much switched over before I decided to sell the bike, so kind of lost on my end, but that's what it is. So we're just gonna take it easy. Julio's knocking on my back door back here. He's gonna try to show me up on his R1M. Let me get some heat in the tires, Julio. So another blast out here. There we go. All right. I know Julio's back there trying to play with me, but I'm not going to let him. Yeah. I ripped off the tank grips. Because one was peeling up already. So I ripped off the tank grips. So now I'm sliding around, of course. There's that dip, and then the rocket ship kicks on. I should have some good heat in the tires. Should be able to get a nice picture here with Robert. That was the main reason why I decided I want to come out, because I wanted my turn 2 picture. I know you guys think I'm silly, but I love me my turn 2 picture, and what better way to have a great turn 2 picture than on a 2020 BMW S1000RR. Good though. I think I'm getting more comfortable on the bike. Getting better lean angles. I'm braking way early right there. I think that's where I usually brake, so it's throwing me a little bit off. To get a little faster lap, so sorry about not talking much, but I'm going to try to get up here with Bogna. I don't think I'm going to make it, so we're going to kick it with Bogna. We'll do a lap with Bogna and get pictures, because we never get pictures together. God, she's just railing on that R3. She loves that thing. She's so into it. She so loves it. Woo, it's getting hot out here. It's getting hot out here. What's up, babe? You look really, really good on that thing. 2015 Tiny But Fierce R3. With her cute little Ixon pink suit. She just picked up a new motovlog helmet. So, her X14's kind of loud, and the mic kind of blows out on it. Like when I get up to 100 plus, you know, you hear that mic crackle. But she's got a new motovlog helmet, so hopefully she'll throw it on and get you guys some more vlogs. She's trying, you can see her, she's like, come on, come on, come on. She just can't get in front of this guy. But look at her, she got her body position so rad. She's so on point. What's up, babe? Look at her. Go, baby, go. Woo-ha. All right, let me get into position. I know she's so frustrated with this guy in front. I wonder if I can... guys, what a beautiful day. Temperature is about 95, a little bit hot. It's starting to get a little more warmer up here, but see if I can slow this guy down a little bit. Go, babe. You're welcome. Sorry, guy on the Super Duke, man. I had to totally cock block him a little bit, but I need my picture with my baby. So we big changes coming to Cali Track Days and the ownership and operations, so you guys are gonna have to stick around for that. I think that will be for another upcoming video. But let's get a little concentration camp, and let's get our picture on with my baby. Baby. God, she's just hauling ass today. I love you. Hopefully that was a good picture. Robert, you guys take Robert Cali Photography out there. Just amazing pictures. Alright guys, so that's my final lap. I think I got one more session in me. I'm heading back out on the R9T for one last session. I hope you enjoyed an additional ride on the BMW S1000RR. God, I always have a hard time when I'm like, all right, so that's going to be it, and the checker's not out yet, and I decide, you know what? There's a Ducati right on my ass. What if we do one more session? So let's do it, guys. Today has been an absolute marvelous day. Marvelous day, guys. Cali Track Days. This Ducati is He's running pretty good. We're in the B- group, and this Ducati is he's running pretty good. B+ pace, but we got some passers. We like people that like to pass. So look, I'm all for it as long as he's doing it safe. So woo. All right, so this is gonna be our cool down lap. That's it, guys. That's it for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the second bit of the S1000RR over my final ride. If you haven't seen the final ride video, please make sure to take a look for that video. Yes, the BMW S1000 has found a new home. So we will be saying goodbye to this bike tomorrow. It just wasn't the time. It just wasn't the time, guys. I just did have a good session on it, but as you guys know, on my BMW, my 15, I have great sessions on that, so I really enjoy it. I enjoy you guys being part of the channel. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button. If you haven't already and you made it this far, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, ring that bell button. And as always, please leave us a like. Makes a big help if you like our stuff. And of course, if you have any questions, if you have any comments about the 2020 BMW S1000 or anything in our collection, please feel free to comment down below. And until next video, we'll see you guys then. See you guys.